it for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah. Is that your bestie? I'm an ice boy beyond like Gretzky. I'm an actual.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Sarah, and I am back with another video. So today is the 4th of July, so this is going to be like a 4th of July vlog. I know I did one last year, but this will be a 2026 4th of July vlog. I'm gonna go out to eat some food. I'm gonna go to the pool and eat food while I'm at the pool, and I might end the night with some fireworks. But I have one problem. I wanted to have more people come over to go to the pool, like more of my friends. I want some friends to come over, but I'm also only 2 of my cousins can come over, so the pool might not be that fun. But I'm still gonna go to the pool anyways. And yeah, but right now I have to go get ready because I'm gonna be going out to a restaurant to have breakfast, and I might see y'all there. But anyways, let's get this vlog started. Okay guys, so I got something to tell y'all. This kind of might disappoint y'all a little bit, but I'm not going out to breakfast anymore because there's like too many people that's going, and it's gonna be kind of like expensive, and we can't really pay for everyone. So that's why we're not going to breakfast no more, and I'm just gonna eat breakfast at home. But I really wanted to go to breakfast, and I'm kind of like a little upset because like I really wanted to go to breakfast, but I can't anymore. So I just have to eat breakfast at home, and after that I'm gonna go pick up my cousins, we're gonna go to the pool, we're gonna eat food, and we're gonna do other stuff. So let's continue this vlog. All right, hey y'all, I'm in the pool right now. I was just swimming in there, but I came to see y'all. I am in the pool right now. Show you how it looks inside. This is it inside.
Are you recording? I'm not going to be able to put in the gun. Yeah, that's. But before you leave back to
So I'm in the pool right now. So yeah.
No,
Alright, so I'm eating pizza right now. I'm eating the cheese one. It's good. And I got a soda right here. Everything. Alright, y'all, now I am drinking some Fanta. Well, it's crushed, but it's the same thing. Not really. But anyways, I'm done with my pizza. Now I'm finishing up my soda, but I'm gonna take a break from it. Actually, I might take a break from it. I don't know if I might finish it or take a break and then finish the rest because I'm starting to get full. But anyways, yeah.
oh, hold it.
Yeah, this is it.
Let's try to catch the ball.
It's knowing what I allow. It's moving slow on purpose and standing solid now. I protect my energy. I don't pour it.
Okay, y'all, guess what we made? We made DIY water balloons. I have water balloons, but sadly I don't know where I put them. So yeah, and I got more, and I'm about to make more. Well, Tyler, don't fill it up too much. Okay. And I'm about to make more right now. So yeah.
I keep my senses. As a woman's glow, not loud, but you can feel it. That's steady. I don't beg the world to see. I don't need the room to crown me. I know what's in me. There's a woman's glow, this health and this healing. There's a woman's glow, this truth and this meaning. There's a woman's glow, and I live it right. It's a light I don't chase, sense of my own light. Capri Luna, Capri Luna, Capri Luna, Capri Luna. I remember.
Water balloons I made.
Finishing up my hot dog.
One of the water balloons popped. Almost done with the hot dog.
Sky lights up with a fiery glow. The grill is hot, let the burgers flow. Kids are laughing, sparklers in hand. Tonight's the night to celebrate the land. It's the 4th of July, let's raise the flame. Under the red, white, and blue, we play this game. With fireworks, family, and a feast so high. We're living loud under the open sky. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Under the open sky. Grandma's lemonade, sweet as a kiss. Uncle's joke, something we can't miss. Blankets laid out, grass to sit.
Alright, y'all, I'm back in the house. I wasn't supposed to come inside. I was still supposed to stay in the pool because like there was lightning, sadly. So looks like I'm back inside. But now I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I might go see the fireworks. I might end up going to the neighborhood to see fireworks or the beach. But y'all just gotta keep watching because I'm back in the house since there's lightning, sadly. So yeah. Hey y'all, I am having cupcakes right now.
You got it. It's the 4th of
Yeah. I'm about to go get ice cream. And after that, I was supposed to watch the fireworks, but my mom can't anymore.
No, we can. We see. We have to wait.
But I guess we might see the fireworks, so. But anyways, yeah. And after the fireworks, that will be it. I am watching the goat right now. Yes, I am. This is the goat movie. Like, I'm halfway done with my cupcake. I'm not done yet, but I'll be done soon. But like, as soon as I see the fireworks, that'll be it. So yeah.
In the land of the free, where dreams take flight, a nation was born in the fire of the night. July 4th, a day to celebrate the spirit of freedom, the birth of a state. Stars and stripes forever, a symbol so bright, a beacon of hope, shining through the night. From sea to shining sea, a land of the brave, a nation united, a legacy to save. yes, to the fields of war. The fight for freedom, a cause to adore. With courage and honor, they stood their ground. A new nation rise.
Getting some food to eat.
Alright, y'all, so that was how 4th of July was for me, and I've been back from watching the fireworks, and it was really fun, and I like the pool and everything, and after that I had Burger King, and after that I went to go drop off my cousins, and that's it. But anyways, that is it for today's video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on y'all post notifications so y'all do not miss out on any of my videos. So bye y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video.
That's why I